Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn hardware acceleration off on Spotify. Now this only works for the app version of Spotify. If you're using the web browser version, unfortunately you are going to have to turn off hardware acceleration on your web browser, which I do not recommend. Now what may be hardware acceleration, you may be asking? Hardware acceleration is when you have the when you have enough hardware or extra like RAM or whatever, your hardware can't use it to use Spotify more smoothly. Now, why would you ever want to turn this off? Well, to begin with, Spotify is not that hardware demanding of an application, and having hardware acceleration on can slow down other apps you're using while you have Spotify open. So, if I were to be playing a video game and having Spotify open, with hardware acceleration, I'd be losing more FPS. So that is the main reason you want to turn it off. To turn it off, we're going to be pressing on the Spotify app and waiting for it to open up. As you can see, Spotify is right here. Give it a second, and we should be in it. So as you can see, we are in Spotify right now. I don't even know whose account this is. Anyways, you're going to press on the three dots right here, and you're going to go to playback. And this is all your media control. What we're going to do is go to view, and as you can see, hardware acceleration right here. So this is how to turn it on. But if you want to turn it off, it's the same thing. Go to view, make sure it is unticked, and then restart Spotify. So then that is how you turn off hardware acceleration on Spotify. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.